Hi everyone, hi Taurus, hi. I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. If you wish to enroll for one-on-one tarot reading with me related to career, relationship, situationship, the details are given in the description box below. If you wish to donate, the details are given in the description box below. If you wish to have energize and activate spiritual bracelets and anklets, the details are given in the description box below. If you wish to have a vastu session with me, the details are given in the description box below. Okay, so this is the reading for the month of May 2021. Okay, let's see. This is a situationship reading, like it's either going on into your career life or into your relationship. Taurus, in the recent past you were dealing with the decisions related to your heart, but now you are dealing with mind. Okay, like you have got brains. Okay, you are using your brains in the month of May, which is very good. Okay, yes, you are very intense person. You are thinking a lot about everything. You are being very lazy nowadays. Okay, in the month of May you will be very lazy. There's a wish fulfillment which is not happening right now. So yes, that will be the thing. Yes, you are just going with the flow. If you are juggling between two choices, two options, two connections, two decisions, then you will be a bit confused, but at the same time you will not be taking any action. You will be just going with the flow. Your heart chakra is opening, like whatever pains once you had in the past, your heart chakra is opening, guys, which is very good. Abundance is on the horizon for you. Okay, if you are facing a lot of money issues, then abundance is on the horizon for you guys. Okay, yes, you are comparing yourself with someone else, or if you don't like that people should compare you with someone else, that disappoints you a lot. Okay, that is the problem. You feel that there is a lack of understanding into a situation, either into your career life or into your relationship. Okay, something is ending, something is starting. Endings and new beginnings are on the horizon for you. Yes, your heart chakra is opening. Some of you who are dealing with a issue related to relationship, reconciliation might happen if you are dealing with a soulmate or a twin flame connection. Okay, so yes, wow. Let's see. Okay, yes, there is a lack of communication, Taurus, related to your situation or to your love life. Less or no communication someone is dealing with. Okay, into a situation. Okay, this situation is either related to your career life or your relationship. Okay, yes, you want a happily ever after with someone, which is not happening because there is less or no communication with someone, and endings and new beginnings are not taking place. You want that something should end, like this separation. If you are into separation, that then that separation should end, but that's not happening. Or the problems between you and your partner should end, but that's not happening. You feel that you have to carry a lot of burdens related to people. Okay, so yeah, you feel very unhappy into a situation. Okay, so yeah. One second, guys. Okay, so you feel that you are feeling very unhappy. You feel that you need to shift, you need to relocate, you need to travel somewhere, which is not happening. You need to go somewhere, which is not happening. You need to explore somewhere, which is not happening because there's a universal blockage into it. Okay, you need to trust your intuition level. Okay, if you're confused about relationships, overthinking about it, okay, then you need to trust your intuition level, because your intuition will guide you correct when it comes to your relationship. Okay, so yeah, you are overthinking related to certain things in life. Okay, like overthinking, very much thinking either about your career, either about your relationship. Okay, but you are thinking a lot about the situation. Okay, feel that you are very confused. You don't have a clarity related to a situation. What are you supposed to do? How you want to move forward? What are the things you need to carry? Okay, so that's the situation you are going through currently. Okay, yes, you feel that no more waiting, you need to take action, or the other person needs to take an action related to a third party situation. Now the third party involvement is interference, issues, problems created in the relationship or into your career life or into your business. Okay, it can be anything, but third party interference needs to be released. You want a new beginning into your personal life. Okay, but that's not happening. Yes, yes, you feel that you want to reach to a certain sort of a position into your career life, high profile position, which is not happening currently because that energy is being blocked. And sometimes you feel that there's a very very weak into a situation because of the dominating father-in-law or father. So yeah, you feel weak related to a situation because of fatherly energy is not allowing you to do anything. So that's the problem. Okay, yes, you need to release a lot of situations. Okay, like if you feel that you put in a lot of hard work and the amount of results you should get, you're not getting it. Okay, that creates a lot of issues in your life. Okay, so yeah, so you need to work smart, not harder. Okay, financial imbalance will be there in the month of May. Currently you are dealing with a financial imbalance, guys. Okay, so you need to be very careful while spendings. Okay, you need to leave certain sort of emotions and problems behind, and should leave a lot of things behind and should move forward. Okay, because that will create a new beginning into your life. Okay, leave the past behind and move forward in life. That's the thing. Okay, that's the situation you'll be going through. Okay, yes, you feel very heartbroken into a third party situation. Okay, you feel very much heartbroken into a third party situation. So, and you haven't moved on. Actually, you want to leave the past behind, you want to move forward, but you are unable to move on. Third party can be anything. Your parents, other partner's parents, neighbors, third lover, it can be anyone. Okay, there's a wish fulfillment which has been blocked right now, but wish is about to get fulfilled very soon. A new beginning is on the horizon for you once you leave the past behind and you move forward. No, a lot of once you move away from sneaky energy, manipulative energies, negative energy, negative people, a new beginning is on the horizon for you. Trust me. And a wish fulfillment is about to happen for you in the month of May. Trust me, very soon. Okay, yes, some of the Taurus might be into writing field. Okay, whatever you are writing, or you might be into the a producer, director, a script writer, or some of you might be an artist into an entertainment field. Okay, so yes, you need to let go of the situation, walk away from this situation in order to resolve it. Sometimes you just need to not to do, sometimes it's better not to resolve anything, just move away from certain things. It automatically gets solved. Okay, it's just about a right timing, divine timing. Okay, so let go of the situations, walk away from such situations. Okay, that I would suggest you. You wish to travel somewhere, you wish to relocate, you wish to shift. Okay, so something, if you want to start your business or career related to something, you can either be into traveling business or writing business. Okay, writing blogger, you can be anyone. Okay, related to writing. Yes, or you might work related to the environment thing. Okay, like you might work related to helping animals and helping nature, working towards nature. You might be involved in organic farming, or you might have organic farming as your business, okay? Or you might be working or having an NGO related to animals, feeding animals, working towards safety and welfare of animals, okay? So yeah, if you are wishing to do it, you can either choose any of these businesses: writing, letting go, writing, traveling, and an environmentalist, okay? So yeah, the last is, okay, so some of you might be become an astrologer, tarot card reader as well, okay? And if you are dealing with, if you might start a business related to the crystals as well, crystals related to like healing people, Reiki healing, spiritual healing, or healing with crystals, singing bowl healing, okay? So you can start something related to that. That will really help you out, okay, in some way. So yeah, some of you might spend time with the nature, planting, doing forestation, planting trees, and spending time with the flowers, just doing, just working towards this flowers, and just gardening, okay, basically. So you can spend time in the nature. It will really heal you in some way or the other, okay? So yeah. Wow. Wow. So, Taurus, some of you, if you are into a relationship, or, that might be the biggest factor that triggered you to get into the religious path, okay? Either a separation happened into your life, a person who left you, and, day by day you are getting involved into the spiritual path. You are searching for tarot card readers, you're searching for astrologers, palmistry, okay? So your interest is getting deepened into spiritual path, okay? So yeah, and that didn't happen by choice. That was your destiny, okay? Like, one shaking up a moment happened into your life that actually changed your path from one path to another path, okay? From a path of relationship and romantic life to the path of spirituality, okay? It happened. Okay, so some of you might get involved with a nice person, a new energy I'm seeing, okay, Taurus. So it might be a person you already have left, and you are starting to move on, and a new energy is coming into your life. You might start flirting with the person, or the other person might start flirting with you. And Taurus who are single, they definitely will be meeting a new person who will be more of a playboy energy, or more into the flirty thing, okay? Yes, you might be calling in your soulmate, okay? So yes, um okay, so the Taurus people who are into separation, okay, and who are dealing with twin flame connection or a soulmate connection, a reconciliation might happen with you guys, okay? And the Taurus people who are dealing with karmic relationship, that karmic relationship is going to come to an end, and a new person is going to enter into your life, okay? And a Taurus people who are single, okay, you might meet someone who will flirt initially, okay, and that might become your soulmate afterwards, okay? So this three scenarios I'm getting, okay? So yeah, meeting someone new. Yeah, there will be a trust. This situation is calling you to have faith. Yes, there will be someone new coming into your life, a new energy which will start with flirting, then it will convert into soulmate relationship, because you'll start trusting each other a lot, okay? So yeah, new energy I'm seeing mostly, okay? Old energy and a new energy. Old energy for healing your heart chakra, new energies for starting your soulmate, new connection, okay? Some of you might be into the separation, trust me, as I said before also, some of you might be into separation, and this is a destiny, not for your life, okay? This was the destiny played for you, because there is something good happening into your life. There is always a reason why we go through such scenarios, okay? So Yes, I'm telling you, some of you who are into separation, a new path is entering, because if you wouldn't have been into separation, you wouldn't have started working on yourself, okay, on your own self love, self care, okay. You wouldn't have grown spiritually, emotionally, physically, okay. So the people who are into separation, don't feel that a reconciliation will not happen. It will happen, okay. But this time of separation is helping you to grow, okay. I am again telling you, if you are dealing with a twin flame and a soulmate connection, then you are already married, okay, and are into the separation phase, reconciliation will definitely happen. But if you are dealing with karmic connection, this separation is a blessing for you, because that is turning you into a spiritual path. It is growing you physically, emotionally, and spiritually, okay, which is the best part, okay, you can ever have. This is a very good reading, I'm telling you that. Yes, you will meet someone who will be passionate for you, okay. A new person might meet, you might meet a new person who will be very passionate for you. Trust me, I'm telling you that, okay, guys. So yes, a passionate lover is waiting for you very soon in the upcoming weeks, guys. Okay, so there are three scenarios: the people who are into separation, the people who are into separation and wants to reconcile, and the people who are into separation and moving on with a new person or a new partner, and might enter into your life, and who will start flirting with you, and it will convert into the soulmate connection, okay. So yes, so this is the reading for you guys. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. Bye bye. I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers, guys. Bye bye, take care.